What is up, guys? Today I am doing a review on this 2013 Corvette ZR1. It is one badass car, and it is one of my dream cars, so I'm glad that my dad went and purchased it from Parkway Chevy here in Houston. And I'm just going to kind of go over the car like I normally do, what's under the hood, and kind of cool little features on the car. So let's get to it. So, as you can tell, there are some stripes on this car and some different kind of wheels that don't normally come on the ZR1. These are the cup wheels, and they come on the 60th anniversary ZR1. This is the last year model they made the ZR1 in the C6 body style. So it's pretty cool. So there's only 282 of these made. This is number 226, as you can see on the VIN number on the last three. So that's a pretty cool feature on this car. Very, very rare in this color package with the stripes. Pretty cool thing, from the back looking forward, they're like a blue kind of color, and then they look kind of gray looking this way. So there's some pretty cool stuff. Got a carbon fiber lip, nice ground effects. I love the brake vents here. Those look really mean to me. Let's check under the hood. So the hood is carbon fiber, okay, and it also has a little viewing area to see the supercharger. This is the LS9. It is a 6.2 liter with a supercharger on it. It's a fun car stock. This motor produces 638 horsepower at the crank and about 604 foot-pounds of torque with the blower here. It's a badass car. This car is bone stock for now. Gas mileage isn't as good as you would think. 21 miles per gallon on the highway, 14 in the city. But who really cares? If you can afford a car like this, I don't think gas is really an issue. But yes, it's a beautiful car. So from the rear, there's a dual mode exhaust, which these are always open, as you can pull a little fuse on the passenger side floorboard. But there's like a quiet mode and a loud mode. This is always loud. To me, it's not that loud, but it makes the car a little bit more fun to drive. These are 335s in the rear, 20 by 12s. So it's got some meat behind it. And I think the back has some pretty cool features, like the little ZR1 cover back here. Go ahead and pop the trunk open. Got the 60th year anniversary right here on the interior. And I'm going to jump in the car and I'm going to show you guys the interior up front. Alright, so nice little 60th Corvette here. It's a pretty big size rail. It actually looks really cool getting in the car. Shut that. To get out of the car is a little button, and to get in I'll show you here in a minute. So yeah, it's a 6-speed manual. Shifter feels really nice. Really long gears in this car. Let's go ahead and show you the dash here. Some pretty cool little features here with this knob. There's a touring mode on the left and a sport mode on the right. I like to just click it into sport. When you double tap the traction control button off, you bring up this little system. Wet means it's pretty conservative on how much wheel spin there is. Click it over right with the dial, goes to dry. You got sport, and then you got sport 2, which I call it turns the active handling off, and then a race mode, which I like to be in. So it's, you know, you're gonna have to drive the car in this car with these wheels. It just blows them loose all the time. On the freeway, second gear at 60, it'll hit them and haze them up. So it's pretty cool. Really cool little blue accents. I don't know if you can really tell with this lighting, but the dash is a darker blue. The seats are blue, kind of. It's really cool. Very kind of late date with the stereo and stuff. It doesn't really sound too great, but you know, got the 60th year edition badge right there in the steering wheel. And yeah, it's just a really comfortable car to be in. So we're gonna go out for a little drive and mount you up behind me and let you know what I think. Race mode here. Get our belt done. Alright. wow, this thing is a true beast. I love it for a stock car. It definitely puts a smile on your face when you're in it. So hopefully you guys like this review. I know it's kind of short, kind of to the point, but there will be some more videos with the car. Got some mods coming soon. If you're new here, go ahead and subscribe. If you're not following me on Instagram, go ahead and do that as well. And hopefully I'll get some more videos coming out shortly.